1031 Exchanges and Closing Costs by David Wright. We are often asked this question, or perhaps it is asked, do I have to replace the net sales price or full sales price of the property I am selling to fully defer my tax? Very little specific authority exists for the deduction of transactional costs from realized and recognized gain. The Internal Revenue Service has never published a complete list of qualifying expenses, and only one official ruling has been issued on the subject. However, the IRS has provided some signal of what can be deducted from the costs in calculating the replacement value requirement. Revenue Ruling 72-456 provided guidance indicating brokerage commissions can be deducted from the exchange proceeds. In IRS Private Letter Ruling 832-8011, a taxpayer was allowed to deduct other transactional costs if they are paid in connection with the exchange. IRS Form 8824 provides for transactional costs that are referred to as exchange expenses that can be deducted. Exchange expenses. Exchange expenses are those expenses which result solely as a result of the sale or acquisition of property and other costs directly related to the sale or acquisition of real estate or in conjunction with the 1031 exchange, transaction expenses. These may include real estate commissions, title insurance premiums, transfer taxes, recording fees, closing or escrow fees, legal fees, notary fees, qualified intermediary fees. Not exchange expenses. Costs related to obtaining financing should not be deducted from the proceeds. Mortgage points or interest, lender's title insurance, loan origination or application fees, credit reports, mortgage insurance, assumption fees. Other transactional items typically found on a closing statement are not exchange expenses and probably do not reduce the amount realized or recognized and are not added to the basis of the replacement property. Pro rata property taxes, association fees, tenant security deposits, utility escrow deposits or charges, hazard insurance premiums, pro rata or prepaid rents. These lists are not meant to be inclusive. A taxpayer should review their individual transaction and closing costs with their tax and/or legal advisors to determine whether costs related to the closing are exchange expenses or not.